Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum all. How are you today? I hope everybody is fine. So we are going to learn maths again today with a different topic. Let us begin. Okay, before we move on, as usual, I would like to ask you your multiplication tables just for two or 1 minute. Okay, the first one is 0 times 2. It's 0. How about 1 times 2? 2. How about 2 times 2? 4. Good. 3 times 2. It is 6. Okay. How about 4 times 2? 8. Yes. And then 5 multiplied by 2. 10. How about 6 multiplied by 2? It is 12. And then we move on to 7 times 2, which is 14. And then 8 times 2, 16. 9 times 2, 18. The easy one now, 10 times 2 is 20. And then 11 times 2 also very easy, 22. And the last one is 12 times 2, which is 24. Okay, well done all. Very good. Today we are going to recap our previous lesson, which is counting numbers to 10,000 and place value and value. This is the one that we did last time we learned maths. So as usual, you're going to write in numerals and write this in words. The blocks that I've given you, there are 2 blocks of thousands, 1 block of hundreds, and 2 blocks of tens, and the last one is 4 small blocks of ones. So you write down like this: 2124. And in words, you write down 2124. Okay? Alright, today we're going to do place value. I've given you a number that is 1826. Find the place value for number 1, which is thousands. How about for number 8? Easy, hundreds. And the place value for 2? Tens. And 6 is ones. Alright, that is the place value for the numbers I've given you. Now, can you tell me the value for the digit 8 above for the number 1826? What is the value? Not place value, but a value. So the answer is 800. Good, you know already. Well done. Okay. Okay, our topic today is comparing and ordering numbers. The objectives for the topic today is to compare numbers that are smaller than and they are greater than. And students can arrange numbers from small to big or arrange numbers from big to small. So for comparing and ordering numbers, I give you 2 numbers, 2934 and 2906. So which is smaller? So what do you do first is you arrange the place value for all thousands, hundreds, tens, and ones. And then you put the numbers first, like 2934. You arrange it accordingly. And then the next number, 2906. Now, by looking at the number, you look at the thousands. Are they the same? 2 and 2. Yes. How about the hundreds? They're also the same, 9 and 9. How about the tens? 3 and 0. So the question is, which is smaller? So from the tens, you can see that 0 is smaller than 3. So now you have the answer. The smaller number is definitely 2906 because at the tens is already smaller than the 2,934. Alright, so your answer is 2,906 is smaller than 2,934. Okay, understand? Okay, I'll show you some more exercise to do. By finding the smaller number, you can do, I give you two numbers, okay? What you do is you just line four spaces for 4-digit number, like I show you here. Alright, you know already that there are tens, thousand, hundred, and ones. So what do you do is you make them straight line. Okay, all the numbers put in a straight line according to their place value. Now the first one you see, this is the thousand, right? It is a 2 in front and another 2. So they are the same. Now after you find that same, you check to the next one. 3 and another one is also 3, the same. So no need to worry about it. Now you look at the next number. It is 1 and 4. You see a difference of the numbers? Which is 1 is smaller than 4. So the question says which one is smaller? So you don't have to carry on. You know already that 1 is smaller than 4. So definitely the number below is the smaller. 2,314 is smaller than 2,341. Alright? Remember, when you want to arrange the numbers, you must arrange them in straight line. Alright? Don't mix them. Then you can find the smaller and the larger number easily. Okay? Okay. Now look at the numbers I give below. Arrange them from big to small. Okay, the numbers are 332, 356, and 334. This one is simple number only. We don't have thousand. So all of them have 3-digit numbers. So you do a block like this, straight line. All the numbers you write down like what I show you here. Okay? 332 first, and then 356, and then 334. So now we want to find from big to small. So we have to have big number first. Okay? Now look, the first number first. They are all 3. Can you see that? 3, 3, 3. So they are the same. But the next number is not the same, right? First one is 3. The next one is 5. And the next one is 3. The two numbers are the same except number 5. So can you see that? Which is bigger, 5 or 3? It is 5 bigger, isn't it? So definitely 356 is the biggest. So you cancel that and write down number 1. Okay, later on you write down in your answer as the number 1 number because it's the biggest. Now, next one we move to the next number, 2 and 4. Because 3 and 3 are the same, we cancel already 356. Do not include that number anymore. So you have to check 332 and 334. First of all, you check. This is number 2 and number 4. So now you can see which is larger, 2 or 4. 4, isn't it? So 334 is the second largest number. So you cancel that. You write down as number 2. Definitely 332 is the smallest number. So it's number 3. So when you answer like this. Number 1 is 356. Number 2 is 334. And the last one is 332. Okay, do you understand? The important key is that you must write down the numbers into the correct place value and you must make it a straight line. Don't mix them. Alright? Do you understand? Alright, I'm going to give you some more examples of arranging numbers from small to big. As you can see that I have arranged for number A, the numbers there in the table, and don't forget to put them in the right place and put them in all in straight line. 129, after that 118, and then 127. Now the question says from small to big. So you have to find the smallest one first. Now look at the first line. First line, you can see that they are all number 1 from top to bottom. They are the same. So don't mind that. Now you look at the second line. Second column, the numbers are 2, 1 and 2. Look, 1 is the smallest number there. So you cancel that one, 118. You don't use anymore. So because that one is the smallest already. Now you move on to the next column. 9 and 7. 118 is already done. So you're using 129 and 127. 9 and 7. Now you look. The number 7 is the smallest, isn't it? So definitely after 118 is 127. And the last one is 129 because that one is the biggest one. So you write down like this. 118 first, and then 127, and then 129. Okay? Now the same goes to question B. This time I give you a bigger number, thousands with thousands. So there are 4-digit numbers, so you draw 4 column or lines for the numbers. Like this, okay? 2134 first, and then 2118, and 2127. So you draw the line, straight line, to separate them. Okay? And look at the first lane, the first column, they are all the same, isn't it? Now look at the second one, also the same, 1, 1, 1. How about the third one? 3, 1, and 2. They are not the same. The question wants you to find the small one first. So 3, 1, and 2, the smallest is 1, isn't it? So you cancel 2118 already. Cancel that one. And then you move to the fourth column, where you can use, no, excuse me. You use the third column first. After you cancel 2118, you look at 3 and 2. 3 and 2, the smallest is 2, isn't it? So now you can find the second smallest number is 2127. So definitely 2134 is the last one. So you write down like this. 2118 first, and then 2127, and the last one 2134, the biggest one. Can you follow me there? It's easy. You just line the numbers in straight line. Then you can find it easily. Which one is smallest? Which one is biggest? Alright? This is more example. Okay? Which number is bigger? For the blue color, you look at A, B, and C. Exercise for you to answer. You can write down the working in your book to find the answer. Which one is bigger? A, 219. B, 129. C, 209. You can use your book to give 3 columns to arrange the numbers. Find the biggest one first. Already? So the answer is A, because 219 is the biggest one. Now look at the second questions, the hearts, the red heart. A, B, and C, which is bigger? Is it A? Is it B? Or is it C? Okay? After you do the working in your paper, you will find that C is the bigger one. Okay? Now you understand? Alright, if you understand, that is very good. Okay, this one is just to test your mind. Look at the stairs that I give you and look at the numbers on the stairs. It's going up, right? So what do you think of this? Is it from small to big or from big number to small? It's easy. You just look at the numbers up to the top. So the answer is, it is from small to big. Okay? Alright. Thank you. Okay. Thank you all for listening and focusing, and everything for the lesson today. Hope to see you again next time. Bye.